Hello guys, you're welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to be constructing angle 45 degree. Well, angle 45 degree is one of the basic angles, and it's very important for us to learn how to construct it because we're going to need the knowledge when we are constructing basic shapes to include triangles and rectangles involving the basic angles. So, well, without wasting time, let's get right into it. The first step of this process is draw the original line. We're going to start from a point, right? So let us draw the line that will form the basis for this construction. Well, in a real problem, you will be required to draw a line of specific length. But in this case, we are simply drawing a convenient length, okay? So I'm placing down my ruler. Remember to use ruler for this purpose. Place down your ruler and draw a line of convenient length. Well, in real problem, like I said, you would need to draw a line of specific length. Label the ends of the line accordingly. I am labeling it A and B. It is important that I don't lose this point, okay? Because I intended to construct the angle on this end. Next, you pick up your compass and open it, extend it to a convenient length, okay? Now, once you extend it to this convenient length, you have to keep this length. You have to maintain it until you are done with at least you're done with this part, okay, of the construction. So now pivot the axis of your compass on the point where you intended to construct the line, which is the point A in this case. So I'm pivoting this here. Now I'm going to make an arc. One need to be careful when doing this, and I also need to be careful so that this length does not extend before I start making the bisections. So at the point where the line bisects the line here, position the axis of your compass at the point of bisection. Now carefully make an arc here, making sure that the compass does not extend. I still preserve the extension. Now, I have to do that once more. If you know this already, you would know that this is angle 60 degree. So I'm placing it at a point of bisection on the arc here so that I can make another bisection here. And now we are done with the first part of this construction. Now from here to here is 60 degree as well, and from here to here is 60 degree. And altogether that is 120 degree. So all I have to do to get angle 45 degree right now is I would need to divide the second 60 degree in half, such that the half here is going to be 30 degree, and the 30 degree plus the 30 degree here makes 90 degree, which I will then go on and divide in half to obtain 45 degree. I hope you get it. So, and that's what we're about to do now. So I'm placing the compass here, then I'll make an arc up here, and keeping the extension of the compass, I'll place it here and make another arc up here. Then I'll draw a dotted line, okay? Let's do that. So I'm placing it on the point of bisection here. So I'm making an arc. After making this arc, I have to be careful so that the length of the compass does not extend any further. So I'm placing it here then, and I'll make a bisection on the arc. So I'm done with the second step. Take care to use your ruler, okay, for this part. Now I have to join this point on the arc to the original point. Well, like I said earlier on, I did not draw a straight line here. I used the dotted line. And the reason for that is because I did not intend to construct angle 90 degree, but angle 45 degree. Okay, so I simply need to divide this angle here in half now to obtain angle 45 degree. And to do that, I pick up my compass again and extend it to a convenient length. Then I'll place the compass here at one end of the angle here. Like I said, you extend your compass to a convenient length, then you make an arc. Now I have to keep the extension. I have to preserve the extension, then place it on the other end here and make another arc. Well, it is not so convenient making construction with these tools, so I think you find it more easier using your compass and protractor in your mathematical set. So next, I'm picking up my ruler again. I'm using set square. Make sure you use your ruler for this purpose. So I'm joining this point now. This is the angle in question. This is the very angle I have to draw. This angle right here is angle 45 degree precisely. So if you did not get any part of the process, probably you can go through the process once again. Well, you may have to check to see if your construction is accurate or not. So and to do that, you can get your protractor and position it here carefully. Position it carefully here and set it. You will notice that this line is exactly on 45 degree. It's almost not perfectly there, okay? So but at least this is accurate enough considering the nature of the tools I'm using. So and that's it. See you in the next one.